Hi Yoko, this is Dave, and I'm going to show you how to access the homework and how to do the Excel homework, okay, for our MBA class. So here I'm at the Canvas page, as you can see, and remember, as I said, always go to modules, don't go to files. So I come down here to modules, and then I'm going to click on the syllabus. Go ahead and open that up. And I can just copy this, Control C, Control V, put it up there. And then, as you saw, you could purchase the online ebook, or you can purchase the softcover book. And I believe you said you've already purchased that, so that's good. So you've already gotten that far. And then with the book, you'll be following along. And so if I come over here and go back to modules, I just want to show you two things. So if I look at the schedule, this is where I listed the homework assignments that are due. So you can see the first Excel homeworks are due today, but if you need some time, that's totally fine. So you can see question 1, question 2, question 3. This means chapter 1. Okay, so I believe this is in chapter 1, your Excel book homework, okay? So it should be in your Excel book. It's either, I'd have to double check, I think it's either, oh, here. I'm sorry, it's chapter 2. It's on page 2.21 right over there. And then you do questions Q1, Q2, and Q3. And it's on chapter 2. This is on the page. So go to your book and find page 2.21, which it means it's chapter 2, page 21. And then also do question 5. And then you put those into a spreadsheet and send that to me by the 25th. Or as I was saying, you can take some more time if you need to. And then your next Excel book homework for this week is due the 1st of June, and that's on Chapter 3, Job Order Costing, okay? So this is where you find, this is the actual homework assignments, okay, for the Excel. Now if I come back over here to modules, and so I've gone over showing you how to get the Excel book, which I think you've already gotten, where to find the homework assignments that you're supposed to do. The other thing that I wanted to show you is if I scroll down, and remember I'm in modules, these are the starter files. So this is for you. So you can download, this is for chapter 2. See C2, C2. So these are your starter files. So you'll need to download these files and work with these files to do the chapter 2 homework. These would be for the chapter 3, C4 for the chapter 4. Okay? And then if you want to check your work, these are the solution files. So these are the solutions for your Excel homework for chapter 2, for chapter 2, for chapter 3, and for chapter 3. And so I posted those up there because remember, I'm grading your homework simply for completeness, not for accuracy. So this is how you can check to see how well you're doing and to make sure you're working through it making sure you're working through it the right way, okay? So again, remember you have to download these two files. These are what you work with to do the homework questions for chapter 2. These would be for chapter 3. Read the chapter for chapter 2. Work with these two files. These are the starter files. Then help you answer these questions that are associated with chapter 2. Okay? So I hope that helps. I'm going to go ahead and if you have any other questions, please let me know. But I think doing this video, this should help you on getting the homework done. Okay, please just let me know if it doesn't make sense. All right, and you can call me at 571-251-1075 if you need to as well. Okay, thanks.